Hello everyone and welcome to a Java programming tutorial. Today we are going to be programming a color interpolator in Eclipse. First, right-click in the Package Explorer, then click Java Project. Call it color-interpolator. Press Enter. Right-click on Color Interpolator, hover over New, click Class. Now that we click Class, let's call it Main. Press Enter. Now it opens main.java. Type in public static void main string args. First, you have to import some dependencies. Import java.awt.color. Then import java.util.concurrent.timeUnit. Then import javax.swing.jframe. Last thing to import javax.swing.windowConstants. Now we can get begun coding. So now we type float color hue equals 0. And we'll type int change equals 1. Now let's type jframe f equals new jframe and set the title to be color interpolator. Keep in mind, semicolons have to be at the end of every single line, except for function lines and class lines defining. Now, let's say f.setSize 400 by 400. f.setLayout to no. f.setResizable to false. This will make the window not resizable by the user. Set f.set default close operation to window constants dot exit on close. The last thing to do with frames, f.set visible true. Now we'll create a loop. So we will type do and create that. But we have to type at the end of the loop while true and a semicolon. Now go back into the loop. Type time unit dot milliseconds dot sleep for 20 milliseconds. Now we need to go back up to public static void main string args and type throws interrupted exception. Alright, let's go and type color cc equals color dot get hsb color hue dot divided by 360, then 1f for 1 because this is a brightness scale of 0 to 1, and then a saturation scale of 0 to 1. Then for the brightness scale we set 1f, as this is a brightness scale of 0 to 1. So this will be the most highly saturated and bright color between both sides of the color spectrum. Next, we're going to type f.getContentPane dot set background cc. If color hue is greater than or equal to 360, then change equals -1. If color hue is less than or equal to 0, then change equals 1. When the color is equal to or greater than 360, it needs to go in the reverse direction. When the color is in lower than 0 or equal to 0, it needs to go this direction so it continues going in a loop forever. The last thing we need to do is type color hue equals color hue plus change. Now we are finished. We need to click run, and it will run the program. This is what it looks like. It's a rainbow. I hope you liked this tutorial in Java. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments, and like and subscribe if you want to have more tutorials involving Java and other programming languages. Thanks for watching.